Presenting the 2007 Acura MDX Grey. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include intermittent wipers, power steering, third-row seat, cruise control, seat memory, front reading lamps, rear reading lamps, driver illuminated vanity mirror, and fog lamps. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.